Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Centering a div on an image can be accomplished using various CSS techniques. Here's a step-by-step tutorial using HTML and CSS to achieve this. ### tutorial, centering a div on an image. ### Step 1, create the HTML structure. First, you need an HTML structure that includes an image and a div that you want to center over that image. Make sure to replace path-to-your-image.jpg with the actual path to your image. ###. Step 2, add CSS styles. Now, let's add CSS to style the image and center the overlay div. ### Explanation of the CSS. 1. Positioning. The .image container is set to relative positioning, which allows absolutely positioned elements inside it to be positioned relative to it. The .overlay is set to absolute, allowing it to be positioned anywhere inside the .image container. 2. Centering. Top, 50% and left, 50%. Place the top left corner of the .overlay at the center of the image. The transform, translate, -50%, -50%, shifts the .overlay back by half of its own width and height, effectively centering it over the image. 3. Styling. The overlay has a semi-transparent background for better visibility and rounded corners for aesthetics. ### Result. When you open your HTML file in a web browser, you should see your image with a centered overlay displaying the text-centered text. ###. Additional considerations. Responsive design. The image is made responsive with width, 100%, which scales the image according to the width of its container. You can adjust this based on your layout requirements. Accessibility. Ensure that your images have proper alt attributes for accessibility. Browser compatibility. This method works in all modern browsers. With the above steps, you can successfully center a div on an image using HTML and CSS. Feel free to customize the styles further to match your design needs.